Hi everyone! I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to Google Cloud Company and Miss Priyanka ma'am for the incredible swags I received from the Google Cloud IT Hero Summit 2023. Firstly, I want to extend my gratitude to Google Cloud Company for organizing such an inspiring and informative event. This summit provided valuable insights into the latest trends and advancements in cloud computing, and it was truly a privilege to be a part of it. So I also want to personally thank Priyanka ma'am for her exceptional leadership and for making this event possible. So her dedication and vision have undoubtedly contributed to the success of the summit, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn from her expertise. The swags I received are not only tokens of appreciation actually, but also serve as constant reminders of the knowledge and connections gained at the summit. So they will undoubtedly inspire me to continue exploring the possibilities of Google Cloud technology. So let's see what swags I have found. So once again, thank you to Google Cloud Company and Priyanka ma'am for their generosity and for creating an unforgettable experience. So I look forward to staying connected and continue to contribute to the IT community.